everybody, it's Kelly and I'm back with another video, and today it's 2-page Tuesday, so 2 pages it is, and I am scrapbooking these photos of my daughter-in-law and my oldest and youngest grandson. So this was last summer, and I'm working on their 2022 album, and I have 9 pictures here. So I'm going to, and I've talked about this, use sort of what for me has become a go-to page layout for 9 photos. And the difference is when these go in the album is the papers and obviously the embellishments. So on the left, I'm going to use that plaid paper. That is from Echo Park Summertime. It's the 4x4 journaling card paper. And then the green paper is the Doodlebug Petite Prince in Grasshopper Gingham Linen, which has very quickly become one of my absolute favorite papers, faux solid papers. So I just love that. And I have a couple of things there on the left because I want to make sure that they get on the page. I have those kind of titles, and they're chipboard titles, and they're from Ellie Studio, the Play All Day chipboard stickers. I think those are from either last year or earlier this year. I don't remember exactly. And then I also have a couple of 3x4 cards there. Now those 3x4 cards are old. They're from an old American Craft Summer collection that's more than 5 years old. So I don't even have the title of it. I don't remember. I am going to take these photos on the left page and bring that green across, which you see me do fairly frequently. So I'll just mount the 3 photos on it and then put that up on the plaid paper. So that's how the 2 pages coordinate. I take an element from one or both pages and put them on the other to kind of help things work together. So then I just went through, I'm loving the blue card. That's really was kind of my idea there. It's a really nice blend between the dark blue and the light blue on this page. It's definitely within the same color family, just it's a different tone of that color. So I'm thinking I'm going to use that to kind of journal on, and I've saved this card forever because I love it, or those journaling cards. They work so great with the summer collections. It's just I've had them forever. Then I'm really liking the Play All Day title there, and you can see that. So what I'm going to do here is kind of just play around with where that's going to land, and I decided to actually put it on the bottom of these photos just because those photos have a lot of space in them, so it makes sense that I can use that space up for this particular title. And I kind of the way they worked, the photos worked out, they made sense to do that for me, and the way they looked just together. And then I had that space that I could play with. And I guess it would have worked if I had put them on the top. It would have worked just as well too, really honestly, because I still would have had the space. I just think with it being on the bottom, you tend to see it a little more than you would if it was in the middle of the page there. So now I am working with some stickers here, and these word stickers are from the Simple Stories Sunshine and Blue Skies combo cardstock stickers. As a matter of fact, pretty much everything on these pages, all of the stickers are going to be from the Sunshine and Blue Skies collection except for one element, and I'll let you know. So I'm just pulling off sort of summer themed phrases and elements. For instance, I have a pair of swim trunks there. I thought that was kind of cute because the boys are in their trunks. They're playing in a splash pad. And then I'm just going to add another phrase sticker up there. I did take one of the tabs up on the top left, adding a phrase in there from that sheet. So that one says hot, hot, hot. The one on top of the 3x4 card says summer heat. And what I'm doing is I'm just spreading colors across the layout, trying to get the colors from the plaid paper into other areas of the layout, like on top of that 3x4 card. And then obviously so far with that tab and the blue, and then kind of playing around with, do I want flip-flops on here? The flip-flops were cute, but they were kind of the wrong color. So I'm just continuing to look through my sticker sheets to find, there we go, that pair of sunglasses. And that's the one that's different. That came from the Echo Park A Slice of Summer Element sticker sheet. And so I just have a little bit of a cluster. I'm going to add that up in that top right kind of corner. And again, using some kind of open or non-important space in the photographs there. Obviously, I could have cut down that middle one, but not the one to the right or the one to the left. And that's my oldest grandchild and my youngest grandchild. I think I've probably talked about this before. They have a super, super special relationship that I just love seeing. My oldest grandson is so kind to his little brother, and obviously little brothers look up to their big brothers, and definitely no exception with these two. All right, now I want to pop the enamel dots that I'm going to use, and most or a lot of us use those to finish off layouts just for different textures. These enamel dots are from the All Too New Pocketful of Sunshine collection, and I'm playing off the yellow in the paper, and then also the yellow on that 3x4 card right there. It's just going to brighten up that. It's pretty bright there, but the other two clusters just needed a pop of something, and so I'm going to do that with these enamel dots. So pretty simple. And I'll just add three in each cluster. Sorry, I had to double check at the end that what the layout actually looks like at the end there, but 3 in each cluster just to get a pop of color. Spread across them. And using my trusty pokey tool. All right. Okay, there you go. There's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I will be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.